Hello guys, welcome back to our channel with another video. Please subscribe our channel to watch more videos. Today we are going to see 6 secret tips to be a happy and healthy life. Let's get into the video. In school, we learned the story of the grasshopper and the ant. The moral of the story is that it is essential to be ready and work hard in case hard times occur. We should also think about taking care of our physical and mental health. There is nothing wrong in saying that health is wealth. If you want to live your life to the fullest, you have to focus on your physical and medical health. It does not matter whether you are in your 40s or 60s. It's never been too late to focus on your health. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can step forward to a healthy and happy life. If you don't know what to focus on to unlock a healthy life, this video will help you answer all your questions. Transform your diet. The human body performs functions well if we fuel it with fresh fruits, green vegetables, and other whole foods. If you focus on a plant-based diet, your body will get more antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that keep your body healthy and slow your aging process. It does not mean that you have to give up on meat. Try to go with healthy choices instead, such as omega-3 rich fish. Exercise. According to a health survey, all adults should aim for 90 minutes of exercise per day. You don't have to do a heavy workout, just try to perform basic exercises, such as treadmill walk, lunges, push-ups, squats, side plank, and much more. Moreover, if you want to explore more about health and fitness exercises, try to get a healthy sleep. Sleep works as a recovery agent for your health, so it is essential to get healthy sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours. When you fall asleep, your body starts restoring its lost energy, and this is the reason that you feel fresh and energetic when you get up from sleep. If you are unable to sleep for 6 to 8 hours, you should consult with your doctor. Stress management. When you are not going through a pleasant state of mind, finding inner peace can be challenging. So, if you find yourself in any stressful situation, try to keep yourself calm before it becomes a health issue. On the other hand, if you have stress issues, you should try to engage yourself with exercise, yoga, meditation, or anything that makes you feel happy. Strong support system. A strong support system works positively for a healthy mental state of mind. Don't isolate yourself whenever you are going through a stressful state of mind. Try to engage yourself with a sense of community that can help you manage stress. When you feel exhausted, call your family or go out with friends and have fun. Try to balance a healthy weight. If you want to stay healthy and live your life to the fullest, maintaining a healthy weight and BMI is essential. Avoid junk food and try to eat healthy food. All these things will help you stay fit later in life. Also, try to add yoga and exercises to your daily routine. Full body checkup. Nobody likes to see a doctor, but it is essential to go through regular health checkups if you want to stay healthy. It not only gives you mental satisfaction but also helps in detecting illness at the initial stage. Your relation with your doctor should be open. Do not hide anything from your doctor to make sure that you get the best care. Conclusion. All these tips are necessary to implement if you want to stay healthy. If you are healthy, then only you can live your life happily. Share these tips with your near and dear ones to live a long and happy life together.